Have you ever wondered why millionaires don't keep huge piles of cash in the bank? It sounds crazy, right? Most people think the rich save more money. But the truth is, rich people often keep less cash than you think. Here's why. Imagine you have $100,000 sitting in a savings account. Sounds safe. But there's one problem. Every year, inflation makes your money buy a little less. If inflation is around 3%, your cash loses purchasing power over time. So even though the number in your bank account stays the same, your money is actually becoming less valuable. That's why wealthy people don't let large amounts of cash sit idle. Instead, they put their money to work. For example, if someone invests $100,000 in a business, real estate, or a diversified stock portfolio, that money has a chance to grow over time. Let's say it earns an average return of 8% a year. After 1 year, it could become about $108,000. The money is working even while they're sleeping. That's why people often say, the rich don't work for money, their money works for them. Now, this doesn't mean rich people keep zero cash. They still have emergency funds and money for everyday expenses. The difference is, they don't leave all of their wealth sitting in cash. They keep enough for safety and invest the rest in assets that can grow over time. That's the strategy. So here's the lesson. Saving money is important, but only saving may not be enough to build long-term wealth. The goal isn't just to collect money, it's to make your money grow. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more simple money lessons.